no problem. So if it is in this case, which is if you need to divide by binomial, like two terms over there, then we should use the long division method. Let's solve this one in the next page so you might remember. We can keep it recorded in the video. Oh, we have just 3 more pages to repeat and then it will be finished. So I need to divide this one by 3x plus 2. Let's try to use just one color in here. If you put parentheses over there, it will be better. So whenever we decide in a number in this place, we will always check by looking this. So 3x should turn into biggest term in the next one, in the next row, in the next step. So this 3x should turn into 6x cubed. We should multiply 3x by something. So 3 times 2 we need for 6. And for x cubed, we need x times x squared. So then the idea, after you decide this 2x squared, you should multiply it by both numbers inside these parentheses. 2x squared times 3x, it will be 6x cubed as you already have arranged. One of your friends forgot to multiply this. 2x squared times 2 will be plus 4x squared. So then you will subtract these from up. If you put parentheses, this minus will change the sign of the next two things. It will be minus and minus over that. Then 6x cubed minus 6x cubed will turn into 0. 13 minus 4 will be plus 9x squared. Then you also move the other parts down. So I have 9x squared in the next step. So the biggest thing in here, by looking the next step, it should turn into 9x squared. 3 times 3 I need, always plus or minus in here, plus 3 at x times x. After you decide this part, 3x times 3x will be 9x squared, as you already have arranged. Don't forget to multiply these with plus 2 as well. 3 times 2 will be plus 6x. So 3 times 2, 6. There is no letter over there. So then you will subtract this from upper polynomial. So this minus will change sign of the following things. So plus 9 minus 9 will turn into 0. Minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9x plus 11. So now in the next step, minus 9x is the biggest. So right now this 3x should turn into minus 9x. So 3 times minus 3. So when I write minus 3, it will already be minus 9x in here. No need letter over there. So this minus 3 should be multiplied by 2 as well. Minus 6 it will be. So then let's put parentheses like these and we will subtract these. This minus will change their signs. It will be plus and plus. Minus 9 plus 9, 0 plus 11 plus 6 plus 17. So then if we do it shortly, if we show once again what we have found, it will be 3x plus 2 times the result 2x squared plus 3x minus 3 and plus remainder you put in here plus 17.